In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Investors Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in investorsbank.com in the address bar and press enter. When you do this, you will be redirected into the Citizens Bank homepage. So this means that the Investors Bank has now been merged with Citizens. So in order to log into your Investors account, you can simply log in to Citizens Bank account. Just click on the login button at the top right corner and then select your login type from the drop-down menu. After selecting your login type, click on the login button and you will be redirected into the login page. Now just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Then just scroll down and click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Investors Bank. In case you forgot your user ID or your password, you can click on the Trouble Logging In button underneath the Remember User ID box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Investors Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.